The world is changing at an unprecedented pace, and technology is reshaping the way people make money. Gone are the days when passive income was limited to investing in real estate, stocks, or writing a best-selling book. Today, artificial intelligence and automation have opened up new doors for creating streams of income that require minimal ongoing effort. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money overnight all while you were sleeping. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for those who leverage AI and automation to build passive income systems. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or someone looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, there are countless ways to use these technologies to create a sustainable, automated revenue stream. This guide will walk through various AI-powered passive income ideas, how to set them up, and what tools to use to make them work on autopilot. 1. AI-generated content and monetization. AI has revolutionized content creation, making it easier than ever to generate written, visual, and video content with minimal effort. Content creation can be turned into a passive income stream by leveraging AI-powered tools, AI-generated blogs, and niche websites. Creating a blog or niche website used to require hours of research, writing, and editing. Now, AItools can do most of the heavy lifting. With platforms like Chat, Jasper, or WriteSonic, you can generate high-quality articles that rank well on search engines. To make money from an AI-generated blog, consider these monetization strategies. Affiliate marketing, promote products, and earn a commission on every sale. Display ads, use Google AdSense or Mediavine to earn revenue from site visitors. Selling digital products, offer books, online courses, or templates. Once the blog is up and running, it can generate income passively while AI continues to write and update the content with minimal input. AI-generated YouTube channels. YouTube automation is one of the most promising AI-powered passive income streams. With AI-generated voiceovers, script writing, and video editing, you can create faceless YouTube channels that earn ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorships. AI tools like Synthesia, Descript, or Pictory can generate voiceovers and video content, reducing the need for manual work. Channels focusing on explainer videos, top 10 lists, or motivational content can thrive without requiring on-camera presence. Once a video library is built, YouTube's algorithm continues to recommend the content, generating views and revenue passively. 2. AI-powered digital product sales. Selling digital products has long been a great source of passive income, but AI makes it even easier to create and automate the process. AI-generated ebooks and courses. AI tools can write entire books or create course content within minutes. These products can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. AI-designed print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand businesses allow you to sell custom-designed merchandise without holding inventory. AI tools like Midjourney and Daldy can generate unique artwork that can be applied to t-shirts, posters, mugs, and more. Using platforms like Printful or Redbubble, designs can be uploaded, and the marketplace handles printing, shipping, and customer service. The AI can continuously create new designs, ensuring fresh content with minimal manual effort. 3. AI-driven stock market and crypto investing. AI and automation are transforming investing, making it easier to earn passive income through trading and long-term investments. AI-powered trading bots. Automated trading bots can analyze market trends, execute trades, and maximize profits without human intervention. Platforms like Pionex, CryptoHopper, and TradeAscent allow users to set up AI-driven strategies that run 24/7. For those interested in crypto staking, AI can help find the best staking pools and opportunities for maximizing returns while requiring little manual effort. Robo-advisors for long-term investing. Instead of manually picking stocks, robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment use AI to build diversified investment portfolios. They automatically adjust investments based on market conditions, creating a true passive income system, building a sustainable AI-powered passive income system. While AI and automation make passive income easier than ever, it's important to approach it with the right mindset. Passive income isn't truly 100% hands-off. It requires initial effort, strategic setup, and occasional optimization. Here's how to ensure long-term success. Choose the right model. Not every AI-powered income stream is right for everyone. Some require more initial effort, while others may take longer to scale. Invest in quality AI tools. Free AI tools are a great starting point, but investing in premium automation software often yields better results. Optimize and iterate, monitor what works, and refine strategies to maximize efficiency. AI tools improve over time, and staying updated can enhance automation. Diversify income streams. Relying on one passive income stream can be risky. A combination of AI-powered blogs, digital products, and automated businesses creates financial stability. Leverage AI for scaling. Once an AI-powered system starts generating income, reinvest some of the profits into scaling it. Expanding to multiple platforms or markets can multiply revenue. The future of passive income is here, and AI is at the heart of it. Whether you want to earn money through content creation, digital products, trading, e-commerce, or software, automation makes it possible to generate revenue without being constantly involved. With the right approach, AI and automation can create financial freedom, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters in life.